Welcome to Wright Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for roll-off dumpster rentals in Carmel, Indiana. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, our roll-off dumpsters provide the perfect solution for easy and efficient waste removal. With a variety of sizes available, our dumpsters are designed to fit your specific needs, ensuring that your project stays on schedule and your space remains clutter-free. What sets our roll-off dumpsters apart is their versatility and ease of use. Designed for both residential and commercial projects, these dumpsters can be conveniently rolled into position, even in tight spaces. Plus, with our flexible rental periods, you can keep the dumpster for as long as you need without the pressure of rushing through your project. At Wright Dumpster Rentals, we prioritize customer satisfaction, and our prompt delivery and pickup services ensure a seamless experience from start to finish. Ready to simplify your waste removal process? Choose Wright Dumpster Rentals for all your roll-off dumpster needs in Carmel, Indiana. With our reliable service, competitive pricing, and commitment to excellence, we're here to help make your project a success. Visit our website or give us a call today to reserve your roll-up dumpster.